Want to create a pivot-style report using just formulas? Let's build one with Transpose, Unique, Sort, and SUMIFS. Here's our raw data: sales transactions with product names, regions, units sold, and revenue. First, I'll pull the unique product names from my column headers using the combination of Transpose, Sort, and Unique functions. This will pull the unique products in the list, it will sort them, and place them horizontally. Next, we will get the unique regions for my rows by using the unique function. If we need, we can apply sort function as well. Next, for each cell in the matrix, we will sum the revenue for each product region combo using the sum function. The sum range is the revenue column, the first criteria range is the region column, the criteria one will be the sorted region in I3. Let's use the spill functionality so that the data can update dynamically. The second criteria range is the product column. The criteria will be the products, and let's apply the spill functionality for other cells by using number sign. We have summed by using the defined criteria. Now we can add data and see how it updates the summary table. We have a dynamic summary that works just like a pivot table, but with full formula flexibility. Great for dashboards and dynamic reports without needing to refresh a pivot. That's part 28 of our 500+ Excel tips in the playlist. If you find it useful, go ahead and subscribe for more quick Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.